So today we will be raiding the desert temple. I know this came out a day late. The problem was that the last recording didn't record. So we put all the stuff we got from the temple inside of the temple again. So I'm going to go first person. But basically, we will redo, we figured out what was wrong and stuff. And we will redo the video. So in here, we made a staircase down. Alex, if you wanted to follow me. Right here is what the stuff we got. We got 5 iron ingots, 17 string, 14 bone, 2 golden apples, 2 gold, and 6 rotten flesh. I don't think we need the rotten flesh, so I'm going to leave it there. But we got pretty good stuff. Take the torch. Okay, so we got pretty good stuff from that. Nothing much else happened, because that's basically what our whole recording was about. Since we got that over with, I am going to start the timer. So 20 minutes. Clock. Timer. So 20 minutes. And it started. So I will tell you when that goes off. And Alex, are you down there? Okay. She's coming up. So our house is exactly the same. We haven't done anything. So today I was going to go mining, but I think we need to make some renovations to our house. Because I think it needs to be a little bit bigger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this is making homes better. Okay, so I'm gonna take this wall, form an open space. And we don't really need that top stuff. And I will replace it with some wood. Because we have a lot of birch wood, so I'm gonna use birch wood, so it looks nicer. And we have a lot of. So I need to put some of the materials I have in here, and I need. Jeff's crazy.
Alex says Alex is exploring.
So Alex is out exploring. She just said, and I will get it went in my inventory. Why stuff keep going in my inventory? I don't know why. Okay, now to make this. Okay, now we can build outward this way, make it more nice. Just a little bit of an expansion. Oh, it's gonna look really bad. The next episode I'll probably fix that and go mining. Okay, that's nice. And this is nice. So we can actually, since we got so much string, make some wool. Then make some carpet out of the wool. So now we have some nice white carpet. Put some more stuff, all my stuff in the chest, and make some more carpet. And we're pretty good for design-wise. Oof, I'm out of string, but that's good. I'm going to go, so we can use our last piece of wood to make this wooden fort, and then we can get this. Actually, villager, please leave. And we can I wonder where I put my doors. I guess I'll make just a new door. Oh right, I forgot that we didn't make that door. What, Alex? Oh, I can bring So Alex found iron, so I'm going to go get her the tool that she needs. I'll just, I should probably go find some stone. Oh, I already have a stone pickaxe. So TPing is allowed, so I'm going to teleport to her. Ooh, and let's go. And here you are, so you can mine that. Okay, I give it to you. Get out of this cave now. Wow, she went far. Where is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to kill myself so I can respawn, but that's crazy how far she went. Kill.
Gloomy Coronet 63 says kill at S.
Oh. Why did I do a space there? Slash. Kill. Yes. Okay. No, I'll just respawn. It fills up my hunger anyway. And, now to make the door, do we have the materials for it? We do not. We need 2 more, so I will go get some wood. Oh, there's some sugar cane over there too. We really chopped down these trees. Oh, what am I doing? I should be using my axe. Okay, so we got enough for the door. It's almost nighttime, so when Alex is ready, she can come home. After she gets the iron, and this is pretty nice. Home has a nice expansion. And what I was going to do for it, well, use it for, is I was going to use it for a nice space to space out our beds, like so. Yeah, no, I like it how it was, but I was going to put some chests on this side right here, so I'll take this carpet up. We can use it for here. And I was going to move our chest and all of its stuff over there. Next. Oh gosh, it's a lot of stuff. Okay. Take the 2 chests, put them right here, pick up most of the stuff, and put all the stuff I don't need right now in the chest. Rotten grass, rabbit fur, gunpowder. I have a lot of gunpowder. I killed a lot of creepers, so I picked most of it up. So I'll put it all here. Last episode, we also killed a husk that had golden armor, so that's how we got that. And we also got green pants. Put this here. New axe. Okay, so that's moved. Oh, since I have some wool on me, I guess I can craft some more carpet for over here. Or I can use this for a new space for furnace. So I'll put carpet right here so we can use that space for a new furnace. I'll put this here. The last piece. Right there. Okay, this is looking nice. So this is our home. Alex is out adventuring and getting some resources. So if you want to come home, Alex, I can TP you to me. Okay. He said 1 sec. Okay, so I'm going to go find our cactus plant thing so we can decorate the last window. Oh, there's one. Okay, got that. Decorate the window. It's a nice plant. And then a nice cactus pot. Ooh, that looking nice. That's looking nice. Okay, let's go in. ready, Alex, for the TP? Okay. Explore some villagers' houses. Oh, also, I was thinking of making a fishing rod this episode, so let's see what we need for that. Fish. So we need 2 string. Okay, so Alex is ready for the TP. Where's TP? Alex. Unicorn.
Tell it.
Okay, she's here. And we can go to bed. You there, Alex? Okay, so we can go to bed now. Okay. Okay, morning time. I'm gonna try to get some fish so we can get a cat. So we can just see. We can make coal and iron. Yeah, put it in a chest, please. That's nice. For some anything, I'll check the timer. 10 minutes left. Some of these guys. And I'm gonna go find a river, Alex, so we can get a cat, tame a cat with fish. Oh, there's an ocean right here. Wow, this is a nice place to spawn. Okay, fishing. Oh, already a bite. Okay, got some salmon. That's a lot of fish. In the ocean. Okay. Okay, what? I didn't even know you could get tripwire hooks in the ocean. Okay, get one more fish and then...
Alex says I'm making more mining tools.
Oh, Alex is making more mining tools. Getting a lot of fast bites. Oh, and let's go find a cat that we can tame. I think I'm gonna go with one of the black ones. Ow! Oh, interrupting me taming cats. And leave a name in the comment section, because what I'll do is I'll just get a name tag and name it, because you can't get them in. Oh, this white one looks cool. So if I sneak, I can probably feed it to her. Sneak, I think that's how you do it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Do I feed you cooked fish? I think I allow you to come to me or something. Okay, I'll allow him to come to me. Oh, I tamed him. Okay. Good boy. Stand. Okay. Where are you? You can stand, so come with me. I think cats follow you. So, come with me. Yes. Good girl or boy, I'm not sure. Hi. Okay, so sit. I'll push you in the corner over here. And we have a cat, Alex. Put what we should name it in the comment section. If by 2 more videos
You can only sleep at night.
we don't have a name yet, we will name it ourselves. It's white, so remember that. Get some fish so I can get... Oh, right, I have carrots. So, we have a cute cat now. Aww. So these will scare away creepers, Alex. Okay, so how much time do we have left? We have 6 minutes. So, I don't know what I should do. Really? What you doing, Alex? Welcome. Alex is looking for some cobblestone, or stone. The mine, so we can get some cobblestone. So you should probably dig. I'm gonna create a little mine area near our base so we can mine. So we can mine and stuff. So let's dig that. Probably use my shovel for this. Oh, you found some? Cool. Okay, so I'll get this and this and this and this and this and get this. Oh, I forgot about sand. This is gonna be annoying. You have to dig. You have to dig all of it because it falls. Oh, I found some stone. Oh, what am I doing? I'm not even digging down anymore. Do I have a pick on me? Oh, I do. Okay, so I can go down this way. Hopefully. And what am I doing? I guess I'm making it bigger. I don't know why, but I am. And now, mine this and mine down. And then mine down. I think I'm gonna have to break. Yep. Get a shovel out for this. Okay, now mine. And this should be the last time I need to dig all of the ones down. So this will be our little mine shaft. So we can dig even more down, but I have this little area I'll make for mining. So this is just the start of an area. We'll probably mine here in the next episode. So I'll be doing that. Alex found more iron. But I'll be doing that 2 days from now. Okay, so that's a nice mine. How much time do we have left? We have 4 minutes left. Okay, I'll mine a little bit deeper and create another one if we need deeper mining. Oh, some coal. I'll mine some of this. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of coal. So a lot of coal. So we got some iron, that's good. And we can smelt that tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, the next episode. I'll probably replace this so it looks better, but wow, there's a lot of coal here. Oh, wow, there's even a nether pocket of it. Wow, this is a lot of coal. Probably make stone tools or even all iron tools next episode because sandy biome is one of the things for resources, one of the best biomes for mining resources, at least I think. Tell me in the comments if you think we should expand the house in the village, or if you think we should move to a different place. And my pickaxe broke. Me and Axe are both mining. Okay, so we got lots of things. And we can basically go down more. Wait, where? Oh, here it is. So I'll have to build with sand, I guess. But just block this area off. Just because for aesthetics. And we can go down. People can mine that way. Go down a little bit more. How much time do we have left? 2 minutes. That should be enough to mine down a little bit more. I think I might have a torch on me. Not sure. Check after I mine this because I need it. Oh, I do have a torch on me, so I can just place this. And this is nice. I'm not going to mine that iron. I'll save that for next episode. Come back up to the surface. And there's a mine. So I'll probably have to corner this off with blocks so nobody falls in. Because I forget sometimes, and Alex will probably forget too. Oh, I'll dig that out later. So there, and I'm gonna go get that block I accidentally dropped. And there's our mine. And I'll make this over it. aesthetics. Do I have any other blocks on me? Yes, I do. Okay. So the mine's entrance. Make it one block higher because people can still fall in it. Cause I have so many. I'm gonna have to use so many different types of blocks for this. Got a lot of cobblestone, which is nice. Okay, I can use some cobblestone. Okay, mine's looking pretty good. Come in, that's nice. And the 50 now seconds. So house tour really quick. This is our house now. It's nice. Has 2 entrances. And if I'm gonna TP, is it okay if I TP Alex? Alex, is it okay if I TP you to me? Look at the command typed in. TP Alex Gold Umi Core or Net.
Tell it.
Okay, so I'll be ending the episode here. I'm just going to. Can you stay there, Alex? So the alarm has gone off, and so I'll end the episode here. So we got a cat today. We did some remodeling to our house. We have a mine going. Next episode we'll probably do another mine. But as always, please like and subscribe, and see you guys later.